Hey guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to Honest Try TV. And today I'm going to be showing you our new Thomasville sleeper sofa from Costco. Yay! So don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments, questions, recommendations down below, and let's get into it. So this is the Thomasville Dillard Convertible Sleeper Sectional from Costco. I wanted a new sofa in our living room. Previously we had two separate sofas, and yeah, this is what we went with. This is in a light gray color. Oh, hello baby. Here's Nito. She says hello. Say hello. Hello everybody. Hello. So yeah, the first thing I would say is we ordered delivery. So they brought it here. You can also get it installed. We had a little misunderstanding about that. We paid for the service to have it installed. White glove service, so they put it where you want it, take all the trash away. But when the movers showed up to drop off the sofa, they literally brought in 3 boxes. So this is 1, this will be 2, and this will be 3 boxes. And they left it in the living room. And we were like, what's going on? You got to set this thing up. You can't leave us here like this. So we tipped them in order to get them to put it together for us and take the trash. But that technically wasn't supposed to be their responsibility. So Jason's following up with Costco to figure out what the deal is with that. Also, delivery was slightly delayed. We were supposed to get it on Monday. And so, we were waiting for it. And it ultimately didn't come until Wednesday. So we're following up with Costco to find out what the deal was with the miscommunication around delivery as well. But anywho, they brought in 3 boxes. It took them maybe 30 minutes to set it up. Not a lot of work, not a lot of parts. And here we are. So I'll walk you around it so you can see. And then we'll open her up so you can see the sleeper part. Pillows not included, obviously. These are our pillows. And here is the back. Ta-da. And again, this is in a light gray color. And voila. And these pillows are not attached. So you just put them into place there. And I will show you that the bottom pillows, however, are attached. So there's no flipping these over later. I don't know if you can see underneath here. But this is, it's all one piece. This is actually the sleeper part. And then also on this side, it's connected. So, you're not going to be flipping these pillows over. All of the seat pillows are stationary. Say hi, y'all. Hi, y'all. So, because we have a cat and a toddler, and soon we'll have a newborn. Oh my gosh, I'm matching my rug. We're going to need to Scotch guard this. It does not come with any sort of protective fabric chemicals on it. So our plan is to swing by a Target or Walmart or something and pick up some Scotch Guard so that we can protect the fabric from general wear and tear. But also I will share that Costco's return policy is awesome. So if for any reason in the future we decide we don't like the couch or don't want it, we can return it, and that does include free pickup. So they will come and get the couch and refund us our money. Speaking of money, the cost for this couch is $17.99. However, we got this on sale. It was $300 off, so we spent $14.99. So $14.99 for our brand new sectional. And now I'm going to open up this sleeper part and show you what that looks like. So it takes about 2 people. Just pull it forward, let it fall. Boom, done. Voila. And that is what it looks like opened out. So let me Let me migrate off the couch so you can see the full thing in all its glory. Voila! So yeah, that's the full-sized sleeper sectional opened out. As you can see, it's pretty big. I am, how tall am I? I'm 5'6", and let's see. Oh, I'm pregnant, so I can't lay back, like fully lay back. But if I were to lay down, my head's not even to the end, and I'm like at the end of like the third pillow, with still like plenty of room to go at 5'6", and my head's about here. So yeah, plenty of distance, I think. And width as well, if you wanted two people to sleep in this space. So yeah, these pillows do come off. So you could remove those if you wanted to make this, even deeper for sleeping. But you don't need to. And obviously you can also leave it like this if you want to put your feet up. This is our Thomasville Dillard sleeper sectional from Costco. Hi, Nito. Hi, honey. And yeah, like I said, we're going to have to Scotch guard it in order to protect it from black fur. Yes, I'm talking about you. Yes, I am. I'm talking about you. And grubby little hands full of sweet potatoes and Lord knows what, chocolate and Lord knows what, ice cream. But like I said, with Costco's return policy, worst case scenario, we can't take it anymore. We'll send it back and we'll get something else. So thank you so much for joining us for this episode of Honest Try TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave any comments, questions, recommendations down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye.